Hey everyone, Bianchi has officially introduced the first model in its 2026 urban e-bike lineup, the T-Tronik C, marking its debut at the Capalbio Film Festival in Italy. The launch signals the brand's renewed focus on blending urban practicality with the premium design and engineering heritage that Bianchi is known for. The T-Tronik C represents a refined balance of style, performance, and comfort for city commuters, while still offering the flexibility to tackle gravel paths and uneven routes when needed. The T-Tronik C series adopts a step-through frame design, making it easy to mount and dismount, a feature especially convenient for urban riders who value accessibility. Despite its approachable geometry, the build exudes sophistication, featuring clean frame lines that conceal the powerful Bosch Performance Line CX motor and the integrated 600 watt-hours battery within the down tube. The Bosch motor, known for its strength and responsiveness, offers 4 distinct assistance levels, giving riders precise control over power delivery. The 600 watt-hours battery provides a solid range for daily commuting, but Bianchi also allows for significant upgrades. An 800 watt-hours battery or the Bosch 250 watt-hours PowerMore range extender can be added to push the total range up by as much as 40%, ideal for longer trips or weekend rides. In line with Bianchi's dedication to safety and visibility, the T-Tronik C includes an integrated 65-lumen front light that runs directly from the bike's main battery, ensuring reliable illumination during nighttime or low-light commutes. The reflective strips on the tires and a bright rear light increase side and rear visibility, further enhancing rider safety. The attention to detail extends to the integrated rear rack, which features built-in reflectors and compatibility with the Snap-It 2 system, allowing users to quickly attach pannier bags or accessories. With a 25 kilos load capacity, the rack is practical for carrying groceries, gear, or even work essentials, making the T-Tronik C a capable companion for both urban errands and leisure rides. Bianchi also ensures that stability and convenience are not compromised when the bike is stationary. A reinforced kickstand supports up to 40 kilos of weight, providing a secure base even when the bike is fully loaded. The inclusion of an 80mm front suspension fork demonstrates that this urban e-bike is not confined to smooth pavements. It can handle cobblestones, dirt paths, or light gravel routes comfortably, providing a confident and composed ride regardless of the surface. Aesthetically, the T-Tronik C continues Bianchi's tradition of elegance and craftsmanship. The bike is available in 4 frame sizes, S, M, L, and XL, to accommodate a wide range of riders, and in 3 sophisticated color options: glossy metallic celeste with a dark celeste metallic logo, matte metallic rose with a Bordeaux logo, and matte graphite paired with sage green accents. Each finish highlights the Italian design philosophy that has long been synonymous with Bianchi's brand identity. The T-Tronik C is available in 2 drivetrain versions: a chain-driven model priced at €3,250 and a more premium belt drive variant priced at €3,750. Both options are sold through Bianchi's official dealer network. With its combination of power, comfort, and practicality, the T-Tronik C serves as an ideal choice for commuters and leisure cyclists seeking a refined yet capable e-bike that embodies the spirit of modern urban mobility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.